Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete our post on Facebook Lite. So let's get started. So if you want to delete a post from your Facebook Lite, then what you can do is first of all open up your Facebook Lite application and make sure that you log into your account. And after doing that, now what you can do is just simply tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on that, now you have to tap on your profile icon, and after tapping on your profile icon, now just scroll down. And after scrolling down, you should find your post that you have made in your Facebook Lite account. So now what you can do is to delete a post, you just have to tap on the three dotted icon above that post. And after tapping on that option, now you'll find the option which is move to trash. Just tap on it and then tap on move. And the post that you have just moved to trash will be deleted within 30 days and will be removed from your profile. So you can't find that post in your profile, and the post that you have just deleted will be deleted within 30 days. So that's it guys, this is how to delete posts on Facebook Lite. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.